Hi all, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft and welcome to a new video on Business Central. It will be a quick video because I just wanted to show you fact boxes in Business Central. So what is a fact box, you might ask? A fact box serves to give you quick information about a specific data in Business Central. So let's go ahead and do an example here. For instance, let's open the customers list. And so you will see on my right here, you have this small box. So this is what we call a fact box in Business Central, where it gives you all the necessary information in a quick overview. So you can see the ongoing sales, the posted sales invoices. You can also see some statistics, and these are also hyperlinks that you can click on that we will see a little later in this video. So if you click on this customer so that you get more details about that customer, so you will see the fact box is still here, and we also have the Copilot summary above it, which is another great tool that can help you to gather more information in a quicker way. So you can see we can also have different attachments in the fact box here, whether they are links, notes, or documents. And if you scroll down here again, you will see the different information that is presented to you for that customer. And you also have the option to hide the fact box. So for instance, if you click here on the collapse option, you will see it has hidden the fact box. So this gives you more visibility on the different fields that we have on the customer cart. And if you want to see it again, you can just click on the expand here and you will have access to the fact box again. Now, another thing that I wanted to also touch upon is how we can really personalize a fact box in Business Central. So for instance, let's say you've got here a subscription, as you can see, and let's just say you do not really need to see the information about subscription for that particular customer. So it's really irrelevant for it here to be present in the fact box. You can choose to hide it or remove it. And how we're going to do that is you can click on the settings option up here and then click on personalize, and you will have the option here, as you can see, with the red bars that you can really go ahead and do the changes. So for instance, here you can choose to either move or hide the entire small boxes that we see here. And you can see we also have a small arrow for each individual box that can allow you to edit each of the specific boxes. So let's go to the subscription. We click on the small arrow here and you can see we have the option to move it or to hide it. So we can choose hide for this moment, and you will see it has already removed it from the small boxes in the fact box here. So likewise, you can do the same for all of the information that is present in the fact box here. So for instance, if you want to remove any irrelevant information so that this becomes clear for you and gives you only the most pertinent information about your customer, you can go ahead and do that. And once you've done that, you can click on done, and this will be saved for that specific customer that you've done the changes to the fact box. If we go back, you will see also this is a customer list, and if you click on a specific customer on the right side, you will see this is going to adjust based on the customer that you have selected. So for instance, if I select the Alpine Skies house, you will see here it has updated the information that I'm seeing. And as I was saying, so these are hyperlinks here that you can click on. So for instance, if you've got payments, you can see you've got the amount here, and if you click on it, you will see it will take you then to the payments. So this is the list of all the payments that has been done by this customer. So then you have access to all the invoices and the payments right here. So this is a very quick way for you to have access to information. This is all thanks to the FactBox in Business Central. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.